Alright, okay you guys, today I'm going to show you this template I built for creating a Electron app along with Solid.js, and it would probably work for a Create React app too, but in this example I'm using Solid. So here's how it works. Right now I'm on the development version, and you can see if I go to localhost 3000, it opens this same Solid thing up, and then let's go to the Solid.js app is in here in this app folder, and you can edit this. Let's move this over here, right? And if I edit it, it shows the changes in real time. So when I save, it reloads like that. I have hot module reloading in both the website version and the Electron version. And next we'll be going into how I did this, which actually isn't too complex. You might be surprised. Okay, so how I did this was I basically went into the vite config and I made the out directory into this solid.js underscore dist, right? So this goes into solid.js underscore dist, which is here. It goes one like directory up, so it's in here, and then here's the code for Electron. And basically what I'm doing here is and one thing I do is I keep always on top, so the Electron app will run on top, even if you click on your code editor. And then another thing, let's close this, and then what I did here was, if you're in dev mode, it's going to use localhost 3000 because you don't actually have a build output. But if you're in production mode, then it uses this HTML file, which is over here in our dist folder. It's just an HTML file, kind of like Create React app. You can just get an HTML file like that. And by the way, don't use this base href thing. That actually breaks it as of right now. And then another thing I had to do to get this to work was I needed to use these relative with a period. Otherwise it didn't work. It would say like file not found or whatever. So I just changed that in the vite config. I used the base to be this period slash. And then here, if I go into my my package.json, this is the top level package.json. For the dev command, I'm doing concurrently to run two commands at once. So I'm running npm run dev in the app thing, and then I'm running npm run dev, npm run dev in the Electron to run both of those. And then in production, I'm just going into Electron and running that one. So I could make it run the other one as well. But yeah, anyways, if you wanted to do that, you would just do cd app, and then you would run, I think it's serve, should be serve. Yeah, so then if we check what it looks like in, if we do pm start, so this will run the production Electron, and this one won't do any hot reloading because it's in production. By the way, if you want to do this, you have to make sure you have a solid.js underscore dist generated, because if we delete this like that, it's not going to run. See, it's going to say, because there's nothing there. So what we would have to do is we have to go into our app and do pm build or npm run build, whatever. And then you would go out one directory and you can just do start, and that'll start your Electron app. And this thing is not working, so because it's just the Electron app running. But you can also run this if you want. And then if you do pm dev, and this will do the dev server, and will automatically open up Chrome DevTools. So you can look at your console and all that stuff if you want, only in developer mode. And that's pretty much it. I'll leave the GitHub link for this template in the description. But that's pretty much it. So this is a pretty nice way to work with Electron, because Electron normally is like HTML files, and it's better to use components like with JSX, I think, because it keeps it much more organized. And you also get like a lot of nice things like libraries and Tailwind, and like the hot module reloading. So yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah.